Hi, welcome to Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greeting from S.N.S. family. This is Dr. J. Vijesh from Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. So my topic is about strategic management in industry life cycle. So let us see how the strategic management play a very important role in a industries. So in an industry's life cycle, in the sense, so like a product and the businesses, emerges and evenly, and it is declined at a specific point. Okay, so point in the history, the time period between the starting from with the ending. We can't say it's ending, but is the last matured level in the industry life cycle. Understanding where an industry is in the life cycle is important for financial analytics, entrepreneur, and other stakeholders when seeking to assess the competitive landscape and the company's ability to grow, generate the profit, and produce the free cash flow. The industry life cycle begins with the launch stage and ends with the decline. By the picture, we can understand the launch and the early growth and take off, then mature, then starts with the then ends with the decline. So the industry life cycle describes how an industry begins, evaluates, then evenly it declines. The main stages are launch, growth, takeout, maturity, and decline. The industry life cycles frameworks can also be applied to technology or service offering, and it is what's interesting about the industry life cycle is that it applies more broadly than to just an industries. So the life cycle concept can also apply to technology categories. For example, generate the AI is just relay in industries. So it is currently somewhere between the launch and early growth stage. Companies are investing heavily in the potentials and use of the new opportunities for the commercial launches. The stages launch. The launch stage is when the industry is just starting. During the launch stage, the players may still be exploring what to be in economical as will look like a while unfortunately anything may be happen. So regulation trends, everything could be monitored. The growth, once the industry hits its growth phase and it touch with the growth stage, the product market fit with the establishes and then viable commercial potential in the new product services and technology. Like shake off, nothing but it is a shake out is nothing where the it is a trend to be that regulation starts to catch up with their startups. Between the increased regulations, that fact that has been in the reach to the goal. Maturity, during the maturity stage, total revenue have out with the many even starts and decline. Businesses operating in mature industries tend to have stable margin and growing cash flows. So industries concentrates trends to increase during the maturity phase. Competitions and while at attained, but the surplus cash flow means that management terms look like optimizing the capital structure and returning capital to the stakeholders, individuals, and the buyback. Decline, as the name suggests, total industry revenue starts to really decline in this stage. As a result, the main engine, nothing but the growth of the emerging and acquisition actively, which creates even higher level of industry revenue concerned with the management teams. The firm declining industries are usually faced with the two choices, that is re-innovate the businesses or enjoy what's left with the right. In the later case, the principal's motivations becomes retaining as a much capital to the stakeholders. As a possible, the firm is a declining industries tends to have high divided yield and low earning growths. So here, industry life cycle is a bottom line. So there are great opportunity to deploy capital into the business operating and all the stages of the industry's life cycle. So every company or industries which go through with all these stages, and they have to cross all these stages to achieve their final destination. Thank you. Presented by Dr. Vijayalakshmi Jairam.